Hi, lovely people. How are you? How is your weekend going for you? Mine is doing pretty good. This past week has been so stressful and exciting and busy all at the same time. On the 20th, which was Wednesday, my stepdaughter graduated from high school and my son had like a little step-up program because he finished the 8th grade. So this year coming, he will be in the 9th grade in high school. And then the following day, the 21st, Thursday, my daughter graduated from high school. So it's been busy. And then yesterday, Friday, I woke up and my dog Nala, I sent a picture in the community tab. Her face was all swollen and everything, so I had to take her to the vet. But she's doing so much better. But everything is done, so today is been like a very relaxed day, and I'm going to start recording some videos so I can get some videos out for you because I haven't had any in a few days because of my week, but it's going back to normal. So I just want to thank you everybody for all your kind words about my kids' graduations and everything, and for Nala. That meant a lot to me. So if you read from my description, I am going to be unboxing the June 2018 Lola box. Now I had all plans on unboxing something out and then something else, and then I seen in my mailbox that my Lola came in. So I figured I'm going to do this one first because all I did was cut the tape. I don't even know what's in here. I haven't watched anybody's videos, so this will be like a first impression of me as well. But before I begin, I want to remind everybody that I do have a 5K giveaway, and I will leave it up here and also down below. And in that video, everything will go to one winner. But I said if we got to 7,500 subscribers, then I will have 2 winners, and I will buy other things for that second winner. And we met our goal. We are past 7,500 subscribers. I think we're like at 8,200. And then I also said, and by chance, if we get to 10,000, then I will have a third winner. So let's see if we can meet our goal and get to 10 grand. All right, enough of me babbling. Let's get into what you are really here for, is what's in our Lola June box. So like I said, I did cut the tape, but I haven't opened anything. So that's what she looks like when you open her. Let me take some of these scrunchies out. And I forget if Lola comes with a card. I don't see a card in here. Lola is a $21 a month subscription, the same as BoxyCharm, but they are not sister companies. This is a totally different company. So I'm on the fence with Lola. Sometimes it's a good box, sometimes it's not. So let's just see what we got this month. So the first thing I'm seeing is sheet mask, and I love a sheet mask. And it is a set of 3. These are the Masquerade sheet mask. I like them. A lot of people don't, but I do like them. So we have a hydrating one. I guess they're all hydrating, but this is a detox one. This is an all-nighter one. And this was a beauty restore one. So that is exciting. The next thing is, what is this? This is a Caitlin eye polish, just mineral eye polish. I believe it was the last month or the month before we got a lipstick from this brand, Caitlin. So let's just see. That's one thing I like about subscription boxes too. You find brands that otherwise you would never hear of. So this is a pretty color. Let's swatch it and see what it looks like. So, oh, that's weird. Look at the little thingamajiggy. Well, that's pretty. That's what it looks like. But let me put a little bit more on. The thing is, this isn't very long, and if you see the hole in there, so I don't know how you would get all of it. You know what I mean? How would you get it? Because this feels like dry. Like I'm not, yeah, this, it's like I'm not getting a lot at a time. So I don't know how I feel about this. See? It's just not getting a lot. Now, that was 3 swatches. So you guys can see. I don't know how I feel about this. This just feels very dry. The thingy-majiggy. I can't think what the heck it's called. All right, so moving on. But it is very pretty. I will definitely try it. All right, so we got this from Hikari. This is in the color Jet. This is a mascara. And my daughter, she's 17. She loves mascara and lip gloss. So that's what it looks like. I'm not going to open it up because I have so many right now. I will probably give this to her. She has a few as well, so I don't want to start the process, because as soon as you open stuff like this, that's when you set it to where you have 12 months, 6 months, or whatever till it goes bad. But after between 3 to 6 months, if I still have it, I typically throw these mascaras away because they will dry out. All right, the next thing we got is Glow by Glory. I don't know. This is, oh, another semi-matte liquid lipstick. So that's exciting. Let's see what this is. I don't think have I heard of this company? I can't get this thing open. All right, let's see. Oh, that's a pretty color. Let's see what she looks like. That's really pretty. That is gorgeous. It's very liquidy. Smells good. Doesn't really have a scent to it, and that's what she looks like. It's pretty. And last but not least, it looks like a palette. This is by Beauty Creations. It's called Tease Me. I think in the BoxyCharm, I got a Beauty Creations lipstick, and I didn't care for it. It was kind of drying. For me, I didn't like it, but I didn't know they had eyeshadow palettes. So, comes with a mirror, and let's take that little thingy off. So, that's what the eyeshadow palette looks like. Very pretty. Like I said, it does come with like a little mirror. So let's swatch some of the, oh, it feels very nice, the shimmery colors. Let's swatch a couple of them. Ooh, wow, that is pretty. Down here, that's gorgeous. Let me wipe my fingers. Let me do some mattes. They feel really silky. Let's see. To the mattes. Oh, this is a really pigmented, pretty palette. I can't wait to play around with this. Okay, Beauty Creations, I see your work. So, yeah, like I said, it doesn't have a card, so I don't know what everything is. That's a shame. What I'll do is look in my description box, and I'll see if I can come up with prices and put everything down below if I can find them. And don't forget, guys, I do have that 5K giveaway going on. I will leave it down below as well. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for all of our new subscribers that we have to our channel. I can't wait to get to know you guys, but I will leave some videos on each side in case you want to see more videos of me, and I will also leave right here the 5K giveaway. You just click on that little link right there and it'll take you right to the video. All right, guys, until my next video, bye.